Hi everyone. We've managed to sort out the heater that was blowing the filter shed. Went to B&Q, got a new is it RCD fuse and higher fuses, and that's all working properly now. Just done another water change today to try and get all the meds bits out, and our water readings for nitrite and nitrate were just on the tinge, slightly pink, so we're doing that. We've also stopped the air balls down the side because can't see the fish, so we've just got the dome on now. We only increased the aeration anyway because there was quite a bit of treatment in the pond to give them plenty of air. As you can see, Pearl, them two little sores on the side, the swim bladder, they've gone. Here comes Ollie, so you can get the side of Ollie. It's all white now, so it's healing. Doesn't look nice, but it is healing, which is good. Finn's as happy as ever. The black and white one there, he comes up minstrel. Part of his tails fell off, but the rest is now healed. Come in there, he comes round, be able to see. There you go, that bit of tails fell off, but it's now healed, no sore on it, no redness. So guys, I think we're over the worst. Pond's at 21 degrees at the minute. The foam's dying down now from the Melafix. I'm in now for 2 weeks, so I'll probably do another water change on Wednesday. I don't want to shock them too much with too many too quick. But we're finally over the worst. Chris, what did you do to fix the heaters?
I bought a new RCD breaker,
Right.
and put it on its own breaker now. So if you've seen it inside, to film it, you'll see what I've done.
Oh. Can't show Chris because he's still in his pyjamas. And he's got his Star Wars dressing gown on. Is it Darth Vader dressing gown? Yeah. Right, so everything's working now. Nothing's leaking. Is that still leaking, the UV?
No.
Right. So that's all on. Heater's not on now, so it's obviously settled at the temperature. Variable pump's doing 12,000 litres. I think we're reading it right, but that's what it means. Which means it's at 79%. What did you do, Chris? Put a new circuit.
New breaker, the one on the right hand side, new one of them, so that it goes only into that. Comes down. The black one comes into that. Goes into its own white box here to connect up the wiring together, and then into the heater.
So we've made a lid. So obviously if you're heating your pond, most of your temperature loss is through the top.
Clean that out.
So we've already cleaned it once, so it's picking up quite nicely. Obviously we've put the hood back on the Nexon again to help with the heating situation. And we're going to fill all that flooring will be filled in, foamed out, insulated before the winter kicks in. So we'll be wearing our winter coats, bobble hat and gloves indoors, so we won't be able to afford to heat the house because of the cost of the heat in the pond. But hey ho, it's what you do for your hobby, isn't it? I think next year we'll replace these homemade vacuum showers with a bought one, but that'll be for another story. So that's that done. Little wildlife pond. We've put a cement border on at last. I've had this pond for years and never put a border over to cover the liner, but Chris decided to mow the lawn and chopped up half the liner, which got him going to actually put a cement collar on finally. Goldfish are doing well just down there. No doubt have bred again this year, so we'll have a few more babies next year. So everyone, we all need to enjoy the last couple of weeks of summer with the pond. And that's it. I'll leave you with some footage of the koi. Oh, just one thing to add, Ghost seesaw is healing. All that nice white stuff is where the ulcer is sealing itself. So we're really pleased. And with the heating on now, the pond temperatures are going to be stable. Hopefully we won't have so many issues like this now. So, happy ponding everyone. See you next time.